Right there. That's the moon.
You're watching Mr. Mosher Season 2, Episode
29. Okay, so I'm here with the 5th grade again down in, oh, here. Ms. Robichaud.
Hi.
What's going on?
Our choir is at Moody Gardens. And we had our concert this week, and so after our concert we come over to Moody Gardens and we sing.
What's your favorite song? You sing.
I like Old Man Tucker. Yeah, me too. Old Man Tucker is really easy to remember. Yeah. Old Man Tucker was a mighty man. Washed his face in a frying pan. Combed his hair with a wagon wheel. Tied with a toothpick in his heels.
And then they get to go and do all the activities at Moody Gardens.
Too late to get your supper. Supper's over and dinner's cooking. Old Man Tucker just standing there looking.
Moody Gardens has a giant steamboat. And I missed it. It took off without me. There it is right there. I really wish I'd have made that boat. Looks like a lot of fun. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was probably the rainforest because it was like I was actually there.
The rainforest.
Why?
It was just so fun to look at.
The rainforest.
It's like instantly humid and kind of hot, like a rainforest would be. It's pretty cool. What do y'all think? My kids are concerned about my camera here.
It's going to fall.
And the time lapse that I'm taking.
It'll fall.
It's not gonna fall. See, here's the thing. I've got it like crammed in, like I crammed it in there, and so it's, you know, it ain't going anywhere.
When you drop it,
It'll be fine. See, Hannah, I told you it'd be okay.
No.
So here's something weird. Right here is an ocelot. Right here are like there's people in there. So what are you feeding it?
We're feeding crickets and meat, and then the seeds are for the pigeons, are also known for our Cuban Amazon that comes by.
Did you guys have fun?
Try to hold
What?
It slips out of your hand. Yeah, it's like this. Wait. Okay, wait. No, wait. It goes like this. It's not squishy. It slips out of your hand. Okay, let him hold it. Wait. Okay. It's well. No, you're not supposed to hold it. You have to hold it straight. You have to let it slip out of your hand. You have to hold it straight. It's gonna. No, you have to hold it straight. You have to hold it straight. You have to hold it straight. Hold it straight. You gotta hold it. You can't squeeze it. You can't squeeze it. You can't squeeze it.